Yeah. I don't know how well you can hear me. It's 6:10 in the morning. We just finished our pre-trip. Look at my... We're going to South Carolina right now. Okay, so we're all going on paperwork. Let's turn on the GPS. And oh, I might have to change this actually. Let me do that. I don't know how good it's gonna be on the like holding on, like the integrity. Fuck. It's all pretty tight. Yeah. Okay, but I guess I'll be back. I'll put the camera over there for a little clip, and then I'll start a time lapse because it's dark. So we're on the highway now. I'm gonna switch to a different POV, and the seatbelt thing is so annoying because look, I got it on, but I don't know, whatever. Be back when the sun's up.
Какая прелесть. Где черный пес? Какой? Здесь нет никаких собак. Запомните, мы не бросите пить, скоро умрет. Слово «ру» его смерть для вас означает одно и то. Какая прелесть. Где черный пес? Успокойтесь. Здесь нет никаких собак. Запомните, мы не бросите пить, скоро умрет. Слово «ру» его смерть для вас означает одно и то же.
Yeah. All right, so we're at a pilot in South Carolina. We're gonna fill up our tanks. Ah! Cut. Okay, let's take off the gas. I guess all right. Okay, money. Let's do the other side. We're gonna do a barely. Okay, and just like that. See what the damage is. Oh, it's my rinse. How the fuck did I still have 90 gallons inside? The truck was saying it was like 40 left. Okay. And I'm gonna put the GoPro back on the mirror, like how I had this morning. I made a freaking wrong turn in the morning, but I used to have it was to the left. Oh shit, this does not look, it looks loose, man. It's way better when it's on the left, but I seen from the video, the last video I posted, it's only good if you're watching it from a phone. So when I do it like this, it's gonna be upside down, but it's gonna be a full screen. So I'm gonna go find parking and I'll mount the camera back up there. So I'm editing the video now. I don't think it's gonna load because I just took off the SD cards and put back on the GoPro, and I'm gonna mount it back on the attachments, and we're really close to the delivery, only about 5 miles left, so I'm gonna put it on there and hopefully the camera doesn't fall off.